So, what does it truly mean to be IPEX?
It means going above and beyond to support our customers. Our plant in St. Laurent, Quebec was challenged to produce enough pipe over a holiday weekend. Volunteers from across the organization came out to help, ensuring our customers received the product they needed on time. Our customers recognize our hard work and dedication, but to us, it's just part of the job.
Safety is always top of our mind at the IPEX, and innovation plays a key role. In our L'Assomption, Quebec location, the team recognized a potential safety hazard with our safety gates. Reusing scrap pipes, we create a new gravity drive-in safety doors that kept pedestrians safe and gave our scrap pipes a second life.
It means keeping connected with and committed to our communities.
IPEX donated pipe materials to a local fire department in New Brunswick to be transformed into a device that dries washed firefighters' equipment in hours instead of days.
This story spread to our plant in Preston, Idaho, where the student who had lost both his parents, his father a firefighter in the local fire department, replicated the device with donated IPEX materials to help the firefighters in his community.
So, what does it mean to be IPEX?
It's a spirit that's ingrained within all of us.
From the Pacific coast of British Columbia to the Atlantic shores of Florida.
From Oakville, Ontario,
to Preston, Idaho.
From Asheville, North Carolina,
to l'Assomption, Quebec.
Estamos aquí para la comunidad.
Nous travaillons tous ensemble.
私たちは IPEX です。
We are IPEX.